So I'm going to give you the options that I gave the last person, right? You're on deferred for evading arrest detention with a vehicle. Range of punishment is anywhere 2 to 10 years in the prison.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 2214 State versus Shepherd Eric Avila Jepson. Could I have parties announced?
Gallagher State.
Pat Hancock for Mr. Jepson.
And are you Mr. Jepson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same? Thank you. Are you the same Shepherd Jepson who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 2214 for the offense of evading arrest detention with a vehicle on May 13th, 2024 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
State?
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 5th day of December 25 in Fairfield, Texas, and defendant Shepherd Eric Avila Jepson committed the offense of unlawful carrying a weapon in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure.
In violation of condition number 1, on or about the 5th day of December 2025 in Bethlehem County, Texas, the defendant Shepherd Eric Avila Jepson committed the offense of driving intoxicated in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Sure, yeah.
We leave it at that. We're leaders.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Judge.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations of conditions 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 1 and 1?
Yes, sir.
Court will find 1 and 1 true. Off the record for a moment. Excuse me, if y'all could whisper or behind the court reporter, please. You're talking too loud.
Please.
Deputy, is it okay to move them to maybe the back row? All right. All right, we're back on the record. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, here of the United States motion, and alternate the conditions to include ISF 2 followed by ISF supervision and the admission interlock device. And then we are asking that this be run concurrent with probations in 2026 00781 and 2026 CC 000782. And the state will be taking into consideration 2025 via 48384.
I'm sorry, 48384.
Correct.
All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is, Judge, and I hope the judge, you'll recall, I think we were here last week, you had referred Mr. Jepson to drug court.
Yeah.
So he had his interview, I think, this week,
Yeah.
and had an appointment set with Judge Glenn.
Correct.
However, during the interview, they asked him questions, and I think he was rejected because he admitted that he had sold some marijuana in the past. So he was honest to the point where he got rejected. But, you know, as we stand here today, Judge, I think when we came to ask you for a bond on an MTR, his dad was present and
Yes.
his mom, and you had asked him if he had any mental health issues, and if he did, he needed to seek treatment. His mom and his dad sat with him, and in the interim between today and that first bond setting, Judge, he has met with a therapist. They made the diagnosis of some kind of PTSD. He had been shot in a incident some time ago, and they recommended some medication for him. Certainly is not a reason not to take into consideration the new offenses he committed, but I do think he would benefit from that cognitive track of ISF, Judge.
All right, and if you'll make sure probation has copies of that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So we'd ask for you to go along with the recommendation, the ISF, if there's no other, if drug court is obviously not an option for him, but ISF, I think he's benefiting. He's 22 years old, Judge, and I think finally his parents and him are on the same page. He's got a 17-year-old sister that he wants to set a good example for even after all these mistakes. So we're at your mercy today, Judge, and ask that you send it to ISF and keep him on for adjudication.
All right, did you hear what I told the last person?
Yes, ma'am, I heard.
All right, so I don't know why they took the Scared Straight program off there, but they need to bring it back. Here's the thing. One, counsel, if you want to, you can probably try to lobby for him to be in felony drug court, even though he had the marijuana issue in the past. Because I really think that that would probably be the best place for him based upon the DWI and then based upon the mental health. So if you'll sort of talk to them and I'll try to refer them
No, that'd be
back
great,
there.
Judge. I'll try to reach out to Judge Cohen.
Yeah. And if nobody has any objection, I'll send them an email and I'll include, I don't know if I have your email address, but is there any objection to me sending an email to Felony Drug Court, just letting them know that it's of my opinion, which people can do what they want with my opinion, that based upon the mental health record that you've allowed me to review and based upon the DWI, Felony Drug Court would probably be best for him because they have the diagnosis program.
We would be happy if you did that, Judge.
All right, so I'm going to give you the options that I gave the last person, right? You're on deferred for evading arrest detention with a vehicle. Range of punishment is anywhere 2 to 10 years in the prison.
Yes, sir.
All right, so you have a choice. Either way, you're going to go into custody today. Here are your choices. There are no other choices. One, I follow your agreement, but however, I'm going to add a referral to Felony Drug Court again. I'll send them an email, have probation send an email. Or I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 2 years in the prison. Which do you prefer?
Not.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court will deny the motion and state your excuse. Alternate mean conditions to, we'll do a re-referral to Felony Drug Court.
Yes, Judge, I'm sorry, I was not privy to the conversation that we had. Were the certain circumstances already told to you?
Yes. So I think maybe if Felony Drug Court is aware of the mental health issues that he has as well, maybe they'll accept him. I'm not sure. But his attorney said he's going to reach out to them. So we'll do a re-referral to Felony Drug Court. And everything that I'm saying right now is going to take place in custody. So there's a re-referral to Felony Drug Court. If not accepted, then ISF, followed by ISP. This is the run concurrent with 2026 CC 000781 and 000782. Taking consideration 2025 PF 48384.
Judge,
Yes.
want to make the court aware that the ISF that we were recommending was for local ISF.
Okay, I'll put that in here. So that would be local ISF. There should be ignition interlock. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? I'm sorry. That's okay. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Shepherd Jefferson.
All right. So is there anything else that you need from the court?
No.
All right. So Before all this happened with the motion to revoke, were you in school? What were you doing?
I was in college, all of last year.
Okay,
I was in spring semester attending at Sac Community College
Okay.
for business and marketing.
Mhm.
And then, I've kind of followed through into the fall. I finished up finals week, was the same week that this occurred.
okay.
And, I haven't been able to reapply, coming up into this spring semester.
All right. And then we'll waive the community service restitution hours if he obtains some type of higher level of education. All right. Anything else you need from the court?
No, man, I appreciate you.
Sure. Probation, is there anything else that's needed? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can come to the court. That's what I'm here for. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Yes.
All right,
Oh, until further notice. Thank you.